What is up, guys? So right now I'm playing Grand Theft Auto, and I just want to show you that it can be done, dude. I'm delivering a vehicle, right, to the warehouse. 0% damage, and I'm already there. So I just wanted to show you guys that sourcing vehicles and getting it back to the warehouse with $0 worth of damage. See, repair cost $0. So it is possible, guys. You know, and I'm in a busy lobby, and there's a lot of people in the lobby. We all made a pact to kind of get along, and you don't screw with me, I won't screw with you, you know, kind of thing. So that's why no damage has been done to the car. So it is possible, you guys, and you can make a lot of money doing just sourcing vehicles like this, and it only takes one player. So yeah, this is it's pretty good way to make extra money. And then I'll say, you know, delivering. Zero. It didn't cost me anything, you know. And I don't have that many cars, you know, because I sell them all. But I have a couple. I have a couple cars.
Okay, that's on the books at your warehouse. You've got to use the SecuraServe terminal at the office if you want to go after another one.
So that's pretty much it, guys. But all your vehicles that you steal will be in here, or source vehicles will be in here, and you know, you can make $100,000 with some of these cars, you know, if you choose to. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you that it could be done, you know, returning the vehicle with $0 worth of damage. So alright, I'm signing off. Peace.